Transmission fluid's good.
Hi, I'm Jared. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about the importance of oil changes and maintaining your vehicle. It's not just draining out old oil, throwing on a new oil filter, and sending you down the road. We are going to try to inspect your vehicle and make sure that everything else is working properly as well.
Ooh, air filter's dirty. Right, left, fog light, left, right, reverse, cargo, good. Third brake light is in up.
A lot of the things that people ask us when they come into a dealership, when should I change my oil?
Engine oil is a little low.
Refer to your owner's manual is normally my first response. Your owner's manual will tell you when to change your oil, the type of oil to use, a lot of the other questions that you may have.
Power steering's good, brake fluid's good, battery's good.
If you bring in a vehicle that hasn't had its oil changed in a long time, you're going to be looking at something like this. Very black, not very protective, new oil, nice and clean, and offers you the protection that you need.
It looks like it's got an oil leak.
Boots are good.
Shocks and suspension's good. Rear shocks are good. And the rear diff's good. Exhaust system is good also.
3,000 to 5,000 miles is the standard interval between any oil change.
Front diff's yellow. 1090 on the oil filter. 4.7, 530, 6 quarts.
Filter and oil's ready.
Hand me the brake clean.
Diff plug's tight. Box is tight.
Yeah.
Customer request replace air filter if needed.
All right, coming down with it.
You may do your own oil changes. It is not required that you take your vehicle to a dealership to have the oil changes done. If you do your own oil changes, you will want to hold on to your receipts so you have documentation proving your maintenance history. If you bring your vehicle into a dealership to have the vehicle done, you will have peace of mind knowing that dealerships go through a rigorous inspection process to make sure your vehicle is maintained to the best of its ability. There have been studies that say up to 40% of people do not maintain their vehicle in a proper manner when it comes to oil changes. This is very catastrophic to the life of your engine and will cause you problems down the road. May not do it today, may not do it tomorrow, but you are going to have problems. That will conclude our oil change section of our Advantage to You series. Please look for us in our next installment that will be out soon.